Floats and doubles. Let's look at the difference between a float and a double. So a float and a double can hold any number. And so the main difference between a float and a double is how large of a number it can hold. The size of a float is -2 to the 31, and the maximum value is 2 to the 31 minus 1. So there's your minimum to your maximum range. So we create a float x, and we set it equal to math.pound -2 to the 31. Print it out as a minimum. Do the same thing with the maximum. Maximum is 2 to the 31 -1, and then print that out. And then the question is, well, what happens if we go beyond the maximum minimum value? So here I do 2 to the 31 and I add 100. So it's beyond the maximum value, and we print it out. So let's see what happens here. So minimum, there's your maximum, and you notice our beyond is the same thing as the maximum. And these three we haven't talked about yet. Now, the size of a double is significantly larger. Its range is from -2 to the 33rd to the maximum value 2 to the 63rd minus 1. So that's significantly larger. Float was to the 31 power. Double is to the 63rd power, so significantly larger. So we create a double y, set it equal to the minimum, print it out, set it equal to the maximum, print it out. And then let's see what happens goes beyond. Now this one is going from beyond the minimum, -2 minus 100. So it's going beyond the minimum. So it should be smaller. So let's see what happens here. Again, these first three, those are the floats, and the bottom three are the doubles. So in your minimum, -9, a large number. There's your maximum, very large number. And our beyond, you'll notice, is the exact same number as our minimum. So we cannot go above or below the minimum and maximum values. And that is the end of this lesson.